Before you judge a broken man, remember, grace once found you too. Never mock a broken soul. You don't see the story God makes whole. You don't know the path they're walking through or what the unseen hand is doing too. For God is working in hidden ways through shattered nights and heavy days. What looks like failure through your eyes may be a life He's redesigning wise. So pause before you speak so fast, before you dig up someone's past, before you judge, before you throw. Remember, your own seeds also grow. For sinful nature loves to tear, to spread the rumors in the air, to lift itself by pulling down and wear pride like a hollow crown. But who are we to cast a stone, huh? When every mercy we've been shown, we fall, we break, we miss the mark, yet God still meets us in the dark. So stop the gossip, stop the flame. Don't use another soul for fame. Speak life instead, let kindness rise. Be truth that heals and never lies. For no one's higher, none are free from needing grace consistently. So lift instead of tearing down. Be love where hate was once crowned. Ask yourself before you speak, if that were me, what would I seek? Because every soul you choose to name is carrying some hidden pain. So choose to be a better light, a voice that turns wrong into right. For God is love and we should be a reflection of His mercy.